What if I told you that back in 1960, someone built a travel trailer with fiberglass walls tougher than most modern campers? And it even had a porcelain toilet. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you back to 1960, when Elvis was still king. Cars had fins sharp enough to slice bread, and trailers like the CampAvto were the definition of luxury on wheels. This isn't some flimsy tin can you drag to a campground. No! The 1960 CampAvto travel trailer was built like a proper rolling cottage, complete with fiberglass panels that were ahead of their time. Bill Kennedy, the founder of CampAvto, must have looked at the trailers of the day and said, "I believe we can do better." And boy, he did. Before I dive into specs that will make your inner gearhead smile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Around here, we celebrate vintage campers, oddball rigs, and the kind of mechanical surprises that make my neighbor Steve swear louder than a trucker missing his exit. Now, this CampAvto measures 19 feet long, about 5.8 meters, and rides on a single axle with steel 15-inch wheels, wrapped in 225/75 Transmaster tires. Stopping power comes from electrically actuated drum brakes, and up front, you've got twin propane tanks feeding a 4-burner cooktop. The chassis uses a manual tongue jack, which means you'll get a free workout every time you park it. Who needs a gym membership anyway? The body is aluminum and fiberglass, finished in white with a bold red stripe, jalousie windows, a canvas awning, and even a retractable boarding step. It looks like it was designed for a postcard from Route 66. The roof was resealed under the last owner, the plumbing and wiring were replaced, and the bathroom got a full refresh. That's more care than Steve gives his lawnmower. Inside, it feels like stepping into a mid-century cabin. You've got wood walls, cabinets, vinyl tile flooring, and curtains that probably saw more family road trips than a modern SUV will in its lifetime. The galley is fitted with a Dometic fridge, freezer, double basin sink, storage cabinets, and the aforementioned propane cooktop. The oven's condition is a mystery, kind of like my buddy Dave's fishing stories. I think what I like the most is the dinette with blue cloth bench seating. It screams classic Americana, the kind of spot where you'd drink instant coffee before hitting the road again. The bedroom packs a full bed, dresser, wardrobe, and overhead storage. The rear bathroom has a shower with a tethered sprayer, porcelain toilet, and sink. Not bad for a trailer that rolled off the line when Kennedy was still president. Some things don't work. The furnace is disconnected, and water stains tell you this old gal has survived storms or two. But that's part of the story. In October 2024, this vintage gem sold for $8,300, about 7,600 euros. I think that's a fair deal for a trailer that's essentially a piece of history on wheels. Yes, there's rust on the frame, but that's just proof it's lived a life. And don't forget, you can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's cheaper than the hot dog Steve tried to grill last weekend, which ended in a fireball and me testing my garden hose. Sponsorship links below, folks. Help us keep these stories rolling.